Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Since no one left a comment on my last video of deciding what I should play this video, I just decided to show you a video of, I'm saying video a lot. This is a video that my mom took of me and my dad playing ping pong, and if you didn't know already from my channel name, I have 2 pet cats, 1 boy, 1 girl. This is a video of my girl cat, who's so lazy, just plopped herself right down onto the ping pong table while we were playing ping pong. And she basically played with us. Well, enjoy the video. Do, 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 do. Do 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 do. Well, that was it. I'm not going to be showing you my actual face for a while, but until at least I have enough subscribers and a bunch of people are asking for it. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of video I should do tomorrow. Well, this was a short video, so I'm going to go on to playing what I was playing last time and give you an update. Okay, I'm back. This is Make More again. This looks different because it is different. I got a completely new place. Almost completely maxed out this guy. Make me more. Ooh, I can buy a factory 3. Build new building. It's building. It's building. It's building. It's building. Wait, what did I just do? I just upgraded. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what game you want me to play or what video you want me to make. And see you next time. Leave a like and subscribe, because I only have 1 subscriber, and that subscriber is my old account. So please subscribe. My only subscriber right now is my old account, so please help. Bye.